The roller stand, tough built with its sleek chrome finish, is your ultimate sidekick for heavy-duty woodworking, gliding smoothly under pressure and making even the most demanding tasks feel effortless. But if innovation is what you're chasing, then say hello to the V-Roller ST. Its creative design doesn't just look impressive in any workshop, it takes maneuverability to a whole new level. Built to handle large materials like planks, panels, and wide sheets, this stand gives you that perfect blend of stability and easy movement. Plus, you can adjust its roller height to match your setup, from a handy 27 inches all the way to a tall 43 inches, or about 68.6 to 100 centimeters, giving you total flexibility for any project. The door stud isn't meant to hold or secure already mounted doors. Instead, it's a brilliantly engineered tool designed to make moving uninstalled doors effortless and safe, cutting down the usual struggles and risks that come with carrying them. It's truly a game changer for anyone who values efficiency and smart design. You can forget the heavy lifting, just slide your door or panel into one of the two slots, and the smooth rolling wheels take care of the rest. And it doesn't stop there. With its built-in lock feature, this tool easily doubles as a portable workstation. So, the next time you're faced with a bulky load, the door stud is all set to roll in and make your job a whole lot easier. Metmo Grip is a brilliant modern twist on a timeless engineering classic built to meet today's hands-on needs. It's not just a handy gadget, it doubles as both a satisfying fidget tool and a powerful, functional clamp. Designed as a self-locking, multi-purpose monkey wrench, it delivers impressive strength with its solid stainless steel body and tough 6061 aluminum adjuster. This tool adapts easily to different clamping sizes, ranging from 0.02 to 0.86 inches or 0.5 to 22 millimeters. It also features a durable steel jaw and a universal clamp that make it both practical and reliable. You can carry it anywhere. Simply clip it to your belt loop or secure it with Velcro straps for quick access on the go. Eden, where smart technology meets the world of gardening. These intelligent sensors bring you insights about your plants that were once impossible to see. Just place them in the soil and they instantly begin tracking key factors like ground temperature, moisture levels, and soil conditions. With this data, gardeners can finally understand exactly what their plants need for perfect growth. All the information syncs directly to an app on your phone, giving you access to a vast plant database right at your fingertips. What's even cooler is that Eden offers personalized fertilizer and treatment tips to keep your garden thriving. Best of all, it runs entirely on solar power, smart and sustainable. These sensors even come with weather alerts and irrigation updates. Festool Universe SSU 200. This clever creation from the Dutch is no ordinary saw. It's a one-of-a-kind tool that can be clamped downward for added stability and precision, with a cutting depth stretching from 7.8 to 13 inches, or roughly 200 to 330 millimeters. It offers remarkable versatility for all kinds of projects, weighing in at just 14 to 15.4 pounds. That's about 6.5 to 7 kilograms. It's impressively lightweight, around 30% lighter than a typical circular saw. But don't underestimate it. Despite its compact build, it features an integrated guide rail and an adjustable angle control, delivering power and accuracy in one sleek design. It's built to handle demanding materials like wood fiber boards, PUR, and even polystyrene. Perfect for those challenging cuts that still demand a touch of finesse. Ryobi USB lithium foam cutter. Meet your new go-to gadget for slicing, shaping, and sculpting all kinds of foam. With a lightning-fast heat-up time of under 2 minutes, This compact powerhouse is always set to tackle your next project. It even features dual heat settings, letting you fine-tune the temperature perfectly for whatever material you're working on. The kit includes 3 unique cutting tips designed for a variety of applications. It's a lifesaver when refreshing furniture with upholstery foam or crafting creative DIY projects using styrofoam. Plus, the precision engraving tip lets you carve fine details and add custom textures to your designs. TerraPump Trep 01 TXL. This clever little gadget isn't just a 9.8-foot, 3-meter pump, it's the real workhorse of the group. Powered by a battery-driven motor, it brings energy and convenience to every job, turning what used to be a dull task into something surprisingly enjoyable. Its main mission? To move a wide range of liquids with total ease, from plain old water to complex agricultural solutions and even oil. Whether you're pulling fluids in or pushing them out, this dependable device gets the job done without breaking a sweat. Gardena Automatic Water Distributor. Watering your garden might not seem like the biggest time sink, but let's be honest, most people spend countless hours every year just keeping their plants hydrated. That's exactly what Gardena set out to change with their brilliant automatic water distributor. A smart solution that takes the hassle out of daily watering. You can upgrade to a modern system that includes a computerized timer for detailed and accurate watering control. This clever device can manage 6 separate zones in your garden with customized schedules. So your flowers get their morning drink, while the lawn gets its refresh in the afternoon, all on autopilot. This time-saving gadget even works with soil moisture sensors, making sure irrigation happens only when truly needed. Adjust duration, flow, and timing effortlessly. And let this garden game changer do the work while you sit back and relax. TerraTech Multi-Row Market Gardening Seeder. One of the greatest pleasures of gardening is harvesting your own crops and cooking up those fresh, homegrown veggies. But let's face it, the endless bending, digging, and planting can drain that joy pretty quickly. Enter the TerraTech Multi-Row Market Gardening Seeder, a revolutionary planting tool designed to make seeding effortless and efficient. This incredible device lets you plant up to 12 rows in a single roll, saving both time and energy. The seeder offers customizable seeding density, and the rows can be spaced anywhere from 2 to 28 inches or 5 to 70 centimeters apart, depending on your garden layout. Another fantastic advantage is its ability to break up soil clumps and compress the dirt as it moves. There's truly nothing quite like a multi-purpose garden tool, and with the Top Keeper attachment, your string trimmer instantly transforms into a scarifier without any hassle. This clever gardening upgrade was created and patented by specialists in the Netherlands, and with its universal connection, it fits smoothly into any gardener's setup. Whether you're working in spring or autumn, this is a must-have tool for your shed, perfectly suited for both natural and artificial lawns. The adaptable design of the Top Keeper delivers precise, high-quality scarifying, helping your lawn stay lush with almost no added effort. Consistent use boosts healthy grass growth. It's a modern gardening essential worth grabbing. Step into the lively world of the Carton Ninja, a compact little helper that turns cutting cardboard into something you'll actually enjoy. This clever gadget lets you glide through boxes with smooth, confident strokes, making all your packing and shipping tasks feel effortless. With each clean cut, watch how it reshapes big, bulky cartons into neat, ready-to-send packages without slowing you down. Thanks to its impressive range, handling anything from a tiny 0.5 inches all the way to 13 inches or 1.3 centimeters to 30.5 centimeters. So the next time you're staring down a towering stack of boxes, make sure the Carton Ninja is right there with you. The average home generates around 2,880 pounds or 1,300 kilograms of organic waste every single year that could easily be composted. And the Hoselock Easy Mix 2-in-1 is the one gardening gadget ready to change that. The Hoselock Easy Mix 2-in-1 is a remarkably eco-smart composter crafted entirely from recycled plastic. Just set it up in a quiet spot in your yard, drop in your daily kitchen scraps, and give it a spin once or twice each week. This clever composter traps all unwanted smells and blocks out pests, letting you create compost in peace. In only 6 to 8 weeks, your fresh compost is ready, making it nearly 3 times quicker than most other options. Even more impressive, at 75% capacity, the Hoselock Easy Mix 2-in-1 can generate up to 50 kilograms, or 110 pounds, of nutrient-rich compost that goes straight back into your soil. This thoughtfully crafted support device for knees and ankles is designed to offer steady, portable seating whenever you're squatting. Built with a sturdy metal frame and reinforced by dual nylon straps, the knee seat brings dependable balance. Its lightweight design, just 3.9 pounds or 1.8 kilograms, makes it incredibly easy to carry wherever you go. The knee seat's main mission is boosting comfort during long stretches of work on your knees. It helps ease strain on your back and neck during those moments of kneeling or low sitting, giving your body a much-needed break. You can choose to use one or pair them together depending on the task at hand. In the end of the video, if you enjoyed it, please smash the like button and subscribe to our channel to catch the next.